So it's hurricane flow, and now that we've predicted the landfall wind speeds of between 100 and 105 miles per hour, let's look at those electromagnetic field force lines. Look at these X-current lines here, first of all, that look just like a sunspot because it's an Earth spot. But best of all, look at these ones here. I'm going to get rid of this and zoom back out. Look at that backside portion. See the way all the water vapor is at 90-degree angles to the larger streams? Streams like this, streams like this. Streams this way and this way. The hurricane's not drawing pi for you. It's showing you the electromagnetic field force lines. And it's not just on the visible, which is what we were just looking at. Let's look at the NASA GOES water vapor. You can see them actually much better here, especially in this convergence zone. Look at the convergence zone where it's on the back end, it's mixing up with this dry air. You get a perfect image of the electromagnetic field force lines, right like this. You can see all kinds of weird 90-degree angle things going like this inside the dry air. Check it out. That is amazing stuff. Whole bunch of lines down in here. Like this. There's your Hall currents. Haha. By the way, subscribers. Hey, thanks, subscribers. Before I realized I was at 50 subscribers, I was already at 60, and before I realized I was at 60, I was at 70, and I'm nearly at 100 now. So, very nice. Thank you. We appreciate it. We've never had a video over 1,000 views until this past week. And until this past week, I don't think we had a video over 100 views. So, cheers. Please like, subscribe, and share the videos.